Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Bluetooth hearing amplifier currently available, the NVBOTY rechargeable hearing aids for seniors. These devices aren't just about sound, they're about simplicity, comfort, and freedom, giving you or your loved ones the ability to reconnect with the world around them. Let's start with the most standout feature, Bluetooth-style rechargeability. There's no fiddling with tiny batteries here. These hearing aids come with a sleek charging box that allows you to juice up your devices anytime, anywhere. Once charged, they deliver up to 25 hours of continuous listening. Pair that with the portable charging case, and you're looking at a total of 80 to 100 hours of use before you need to find a plug. That's long weekends, road trips, or even a full week's worth of listening without a worry. Now, let's talk about clarity. These aren't your basic amplifiers. They're equipped with a 16-channel ultra-low-power digital chip that enables fine audio adjustment and adaptive full-frequency noise reduction. Whether you're in a quiet room or a noisy cafe, the upgraded RIC, receiver and canal, pipeline minimizes sound distortion and enhances clarity. Volume is customizable across 5 levels, ranging from 24 to 40 decibels, so you can fine-tune your experience depending on your hearing needs and environment. Comfort is another area where this product shines. Designed to be compact and nearly invisible, these hearing aids are discreet and stylish. The beige tone blends well with most skin tones, and the lightweight silicone earplugs ensure you can wear them all day without discomfort. You'll barely notice they're there, and neither will anyone else. Operating these hearing aids is refreshingly simple. With a one-button system, users can power on, adjust volume, and start hearing clearly in seconds. The volume memory function remembers your last setting, so there's no need to reconfigure each time you use them. And when you're done, just place them in the charging compartment, they'll power down automatically. This thoughtful design caters especially to seniors who may not want to deal with complicated setups or tiny controls. It's intuitive, smart, and designed to empower independence. To wrap up, the NVBOTY rechargeable hearing aids aren't just another sound amplifier, they're a lifestyle upgrade. With long battery life, intelligent noise reduction, user-friendly controls, and an ultra-comfortable fit, they deliver premium hearing assistance without the premium hassle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to rediscover the joy of clear conversations, vibrant sounds, and confident daily living, this might be the best Bluetooth hearing amplifier for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into products that truly make life better.